Regardless of what you want to do, who you want to be, or how you wish to accomplish your goals, you have to start somewhere. Whether you choose to be a rapper or to become a doctor, education is the path to opening up all those doors.
Without a purpose, you are never going to stay committed. You should start to ask yourself, what is my purpose? I know some of you may be thinking, whoa, I'm in 8th grade, I don't need to be thinking about my purpose. But really, it starts now. And before you know it, you'll be graduating high school wondering where the past 4 years of your life went. Figure out why you do what you do as soon as you can. It is the most important thing you can decide about your life. Once you have figured out your purpose, align yourself with positive people that have the same goals and desires. They will keep you accountable and support you no matter what, but they can't support you if you do not let them. You deserve to be loved, supported, and cared for, so do not accept feeling less than enough. I have been there, and I know you guys will be there too. Over the past 4 years, I have gathered many tips to help you with this. So here are my 5 tips to high school success. Take time for yourself. Reflect on who you are and who you want to become. Create short-term and long-term goals, and stay committed. Surround yourself with people that will support you unconditionally. Smile more and realize that, yeah, life sucks sometimes, but really there are so many beautiful things about life. Don't let one thing ruin your day. Be present. Do not live by the clock alone. Do not rush through your day. Slow down and enjoy the small things in your day. Because if you cherish those small moments, every day will be filled with something new. It is not always going to be easy, that's for sure. It takes hard work day in and day out to balance all the different aspects of your life. But I'm here to tell you it is possible. It is possible to be your best self and be successful in multiple different aspects of your life. All you have to do is find your purpose, work hard, stay committed to your goals, even on your bad days. And lastly, surround yourself with people that truly love you for who you are. Having these types of friends in high school is what I will remember for the rest of my life. And remember, be kind to one another.